I understand that in the Philippines, these products are over the counter. So that means that you don't need a prescription before buying these products. But guys, over the counter products does not always means that it is safe for everyone. Hey guys, Moisan here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about two of the most popular over-the-counter peeling solutions in the Philippines, which is the MAXIPEEL solutions and also the Baby Face RDL solutions. And we're going to talk about on who can use these products. So guys, before I start, just wanted to let you guys know that I don't have these products with me right now because there's no way you can buy these products here in Canada, and I'll tell you the reason why later on. Guys, when I went to Philippines 2 years ago, I have seen these products almost everywhere, particularly in some drugstore. Now, for those who doesn't know, MAXIPEEL and RDL is a peeling solutions that helps with depigmenting and drying up acne, promoting a brighter and smoother complexion as a result of the peeling process. I have seen some positive result and negative as well with using these products, and I guess it depends on their skin type also. So in the Philippines, these products are over the counter, which means that everybody can buy them even without prescriptions, knowing that it has hydroquinone. But honestly guys, the first thing that came to my mind was its safety. So anyways guys, let's briefly talk about what is hydroquinone and tretinoin, which are the main ingredients in these products. So guys, hydroquinone is a whitening or lightening agent that is used by some medical professions to help with hyperpigmentation such as dark spots, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So hydroquinone is actually very effective medicine to treat all those dark spots issues. So in our skin, we do have the melanocytes. So these melanocytes produces melanin. So what hydroquinone does is it controls or it prevents the melanocytes to produce more melanin, making our skin to achieve more brighter or lighter complexions. So tretinoin, in addition to hydroquinone, is a medicine that helps to treat acne, fine lines, and wrinkles, and it helps the skin to renew itself faster, replacing the old skin with a fresher, newer looking skin. Speaking of tretinoin, actually this medicine is only available with doctor's prescription. So that is why I was a bit surprised when I saw this medication over the counter. But anyways, guys, the combination of these two ingredients or medicine is actually very strong and very effective, and I think it should be used as directed by a dermatologist. So are these products effective for anti-acne and dark spots? And my personal answer is a big yes, but guys, please consult a dermatologist prior to using any peeling solutions such as these ones, because sometimes it can do harm than good. And also, seeing your dermatologist will also help you to be evaluated and of course to give you a proper treatment and proper diagnosis. I understand that in the Philippines, these products are over the counter, so that means that you don't need a prescription before buying these products. But guys, over-the-counter products does not always means that it is safe for everyone. As I said earlier, these two ingredients, hydroquinone and tretinoin, are a very strong and effective medications for treatments of acne and dark spots, which means that these products are also associated with some side effects. So the common side effects with using hydroquinone and tretinoin are irritation to your nose, eyes, and mouth, and it can also cause blistering, skin itchiness, and redness, and of course, it can make your skin sensitive and increase hyperpigmentation or more skin darkening. So guys, let me tell you again that seeing your board-certified dermatologist prior to using these peeling solutions will help prevent all those common side effects. So guys, remember what I said earlier that I don't have these products here with me because I cannot buy these products anymore in Canada. It's because of a health risk issues that are associated with these products. So MAXIPEEL and other products that contains hydroquinone and tretinoin were recalled. So according to Health Canada, hydroquinone and in combination with tretinoin makes the tretinoin side effects even more worse. So according to the government of Canada, it is illegal to sell a product that has a hydroquinone concentration. So according to government of Canada, it is illegal to sell a product that has a hydroquinone concentration of greater than 2%, for it may pose a health risk such as cancer. So who can use MAXIPEEL and RDL Baby Face? So guys, both of these products are approved by the FDA in the Philippines as an effective treatments for dark spots and acne. But guys, just to be on the safe side, always talk to your doctor first, okay? So before using these products, assess your skin first if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, because these products are very irritating and very drying on the skin. Guys, refrain from using these products if you have skin problems such as psoriasis or eczema, because it can cause more harm and you don't want that. Those people who have more darker skin tone should be very careful because they have more melanin on their skin, which means that they are at a higher risk of having more hyperpigmentations. If you have mild acne or dark spot, these products might be very helpful, but guys, put extra care, okay? Use a good moisturizer, preferably those ones that are fragrance free, and always use a good sunscreen. I know these products comes in solution number 1, solution number 2, solution number 3, and number 3 goes for, I think, severe acne or severe dark spots. But guys, if you have a severe acne or dark spots, please do not even try using these products. Go and see your doctor right away. Self-medicating can make your acne or your dark spots even worse, and would you want that? So there you go guys with MAXIPEEL and RDL Baby Face. I know that some people, they do have good result with these products, and I have also seen a very bad result with these products. So that's why I'm saying that it's very important that you always see your doctor for proper guidance and proper supervision, right? I mean, if you're gonna try doing it yourself, be very careful, okay? I mean, peeling is a very sensitive thing, and it's kind of risky because you're prone to having more harm to your skin, such as increase in sensitivity and having more dark spots. So you guys have to be very careful, and you have to use a good moisturizer and sunscreens, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you learned something in these videos. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and turn on that notification bell for more updated videos such as this one. And guys, if you have any questions or would like me to do a new trend in skincare, please don't hesitate to put it down in the comment box down below so we can have a chit chat about it. So guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time on my next videos. Bye bye!